Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we have to discuss about the mechanism of enzymes. How do they carry out their function? In the last lecture, you stated that the enzymes they either combine two substrate or more than two substrate together, or the enzymes they break down the substrate into two or more products. Okay, how the enzymes they combine with the substrate. I told you people last in the last lecture that the enzymes they have a specific part. They have the globular structure. One second, in that very globular structure they have an active site. The active site has two parts. Those are what? The binding site and what? The catalytic site. The binding site first combines with the uh, substrate, and then the catalytic site carry out its catalytic activity. In the last lecture you have made it clear. Now, how these enzymes they combine with the substrate in 1890. Just take into consideration 1890 means before 1900, before the commencement of 1900 at the 20th century. Emil Fischer, he presented the lock and key model. According to him, if you have a lock, you have a specific key by which that lock is opened. In other words, there are the keys which are used for what? Opening certain nuts, okay, and bolts. Those keys are specific. Say 8 number key and 10 number and 11 and 12 number keys are there. Okay, their size is specific, that cannot be changed. This was the model which was presented by Emil Fischer. He said that the structure of enzyme and its catalytic site and binding site, so that is hard structure, you can say, that is specific structure, that is not changed. But afterwards, as the progress kept on in the life science and biochemistry, uh, Daniel Koshland. He was a biologist, and he presented an idea, a model of what enzymatic activity are mechanism of enzyme. That is what he said. No, not like the key. The enzyme is like the wrench. Okay, it is like your. In other words, should I exemplify it? It is not. It is not like the hard key. Rather, it is like your mouth. Okay, your mouth. If you have to cut the peanut, then you cut that with your incisors. And if you have to tear the leg piece of chicken, you use what? Your canines. Okay. Suppose this is your active site. It is changed when you have to chunk out from the apple. The position of your active site would be different. Okay, so here is what the induced fit model was, that the enzyme changes its structure, its conformation to fit upon the substrate to carry out its catalytic activity. So this is how you can understand the induced fit model and what the lock and key model. If you have understood it well, you must share this to your loved ones. Thank you very much.